Hello guys, today I'm thrilled to present an in-depth review of one of the toughest and most feature-packed rugged smartphones on the market, the Cubot KingKong Power 5, engineered to brave the harshest environments while seamlessly integrating into your daily routine. This powerhouse beast, an astonishing 15,300 mAh battery, a booming 5-watt speaker that shakes the room, and a super bright 1200 Lumen LED camping light. Get ready as we unbox the beast and explore every aspect of its unbreakable design, cutting-edge features, and rock-solid performance. Cubot KingKong Power 5 arrives in turquoise color box with the brand, model name and a photo of the device imprinted on the top. Now let's start with the boxing and see what is in the box besides the phone. KingKong Power 5 quick start guide and all the paperwork, SIM pin, strap for carrying your phone. We also have this USB-C charging cable, and finally 33-watt fast charger. And that was the contents of this box, and let's look at the smartphone now. The phone at the first glance looks like it was pulled from an arsenal of special forces, massive with the armored edges and a textured casing that provides a firm and a secure grip even when your hands are wet or in gloves. This is a serious piece of equipment, not a phone for a thin shirt pocket. The back is rubberized with the anti-slip pattern, orange details that amplifies its robust character, and integrate a large 1200 lumen LED light, which can be used as a powerful flashlight or SOS signal. This speaker grille looks equally impressive. In fact, this entire smartphone looks much better in person than in the renders I've seen before, so the build quality itself is solid and very convincing when you hold it in your hands. I have to admit, I'm very impressed. In the steel frame, which further points up its robustness of the phone, the first thing we find is this small orange button with a light symbol, which automatically activates these two LEDs on the top of the phone with one touch. These are double tactical reflectors with a power of 1000 lumens that make this phone ideal for camping, hiking, night work or crisis situations, which can continuously illuminate for about 10 hours. A very useful thing which will be appreciated by the target audience of this phone. Let's move on the buttons on the frame. Under the lightning button we find these two buttons that adjust the volume, while the third serves as both the power switch and the fingerprint reader. Now on the left side of the phone you will find the SIM microSD tray supporting dual 4G connectivity with the 2 nano SIM cards or 1 nano SIM plus TF card with capacity of up to 1 TB. Here we also have this small programmable button. This button can be customized to perform various functions with the phone or install applications and brings 3 programmed functions. Can be activated with a single click, double click or long press. Finally, at the bottom of the phone we have a USB-C charging port, which is protected by a rubber cover that guarantees the phone's 100% waterproof rating. Cubot KingKong Power 5 comes with a large 6.88-inch IPS screen of 720 by 1640 pixels. A V-shaped notch houses an excellent 16 megapixel selfie camera with a face unlock option. The camera will perfectly handle all your selfies and video calls, all in Full HD 1080 pixel resolution. Although the resolution of the screen itself is not Full HD, the display quality is really great. Thanks to the good pixel density and the quality color calibration, the contents look sharp with pronounced contrast and vivid color rendering. One of the main advantages of the screen is high brightness of up to 1000 nits, which makes it perfect readable outdoors. The screen remains clear and easy to read. In addition, the 120Hz refresh rate provides an extremely smooth experience when scrolling, surfing, playing games, and generally using the interface. Android 15 animations look fluid and responsive, which is rare in this range of rugged devices. And when it comes to multimedia, here we come to another pleasant surprise. Whether you are watching Netflix, YouTube or TikTok, the Cubot KingKong Power 5 provides an excellent visual and audio presentation. Video playback is smooth, colors are dynamic and the contrast is excellent for IPS panel. Even darker scenes in movies remain clear. The screen also supports automatic brightness control and there is eye comfort mode which reduces blue light and makes it easier to use in night. When we talk about rugged phones, rarely does a device surprise us with the audio performance, but the Cubot KingKong Power 5 literally thunders here. The built-in 5-watt Thunderbolt speaker is not only powerful on the paper, in practice it delivers incredibly powerful and a clear sound with a peak volume of up to 136 decibels. This is a level that can compete with the smaller portable Bluetooth speakers. The speaker is waterproof and designed to function even when wet, covering in dust or exposed to shocks. The sound quality is clean with a solid bass for speaker of this type. So that everything doesn't remain just words, listen to how the Cubot KingKong Power 5 sounds in reality. One of the most interesting additions to the Cubot KingKong Power 5 is the powerful rear LED light that emits as much as 1200 lumens of light. This is not an ordinary flashlight, this is a real tactical light which turns your smartphone into a portable camping lamp, work light or even SOS light signal. It's ideal for adventurers, campers, night watchmen, hikers or simply when the power goes out at home. In addition to continuous light, it also supports SOS mode and the strobe effect, which can be extremely useful in emergency situations. Thanks to the large 15,300 mAh battery, this light can work for hours without problems. The manufacturer stays up to 10 hours of continuous lighting. In addition to this, we also find these 3 camera lenses and the LED flash. The Cubot KingKong Power 5 is equipped with a very solid set of cameras for its class, especially when we consider that it is a robust smartphone led by the main 64 megapixel sensor with the PDAF autofocus. The camera offers a very good level of detail in daylight. Video recording goes up to 1080 pixel resolution, and stabilization is the software sufficient for the basic needs of documentation and recording in the field. In addition to the main one, there is a 2 megapixel macro camera which enables close-up shooting, and the third sensor, 0.3 megapixel auxiliary camera, is used for depth detection and a better portrait effect. Now let's check out some sample photos and videos taken with the KingKong Power 5. Let's have a look. Cubot KingKong Power 5 is powered by the newer MediaTek Helio G100 processor, an octa-core chipset based on a 6nm architecture, which brings a good balance between efficiency and performance. Operating frequencies reach up to 2.2 GHz, which allows for fast application launching, stable multitasking, and a good responsiveness in everyday use. What is even more impressive in amount of memory, the device comes with 6GB of physical RAM, but thanks to the RAM extension, it can be expanded by software up to 60GB for the needs of more demanding applications. That means that you can easily use multiple applications at the same time without slowing down. The internal memory is 128GB, which is quite enough for most users, but if you need more space, there is expandable memory by microSD card, which is enough for store videos, documents or multimedia for offline use. In practice, the device behaves very stably, the system boots up quickly, applications load smoothly, and switching between them is jerk-free. The Halo G100 has proven to be reliable even when playing light to medium demanding games. While thanks to the low power consumption on the chipset, this hardware set provides surprisingly good and fluid everyday use without overheating or lag. And to make sure everything runs smoothly and quickly, the latest Android 15 operating system takes care of it, which not only brings visual and functional improvements but also additionally security features, battery optimization, and support for more advanced AI options in applications. The software is clean and even boring in a good way, with absolutely no additional applications except those from Google. The device comes with support for dual nano SIM, 4G LTE on all European and global frequencies, Bluetooth 5.2 for faster and more stable data transfer, Wi-Fi 5 for reliable wireless internet, and NFC with support for Google Pay, which allows for simple and secure contactless payments. For users who often rely on precise navigation, the KingKong Power 5 offers support for GPS, GLONASS, Beidou, and Galileo, making it an ideal companion for everyday activities and demanding field conditions. The combination of advanced technology and a rugged design makes it a perfect choice for those looking for a reliable smartphone without compromise. One of the main advantages of the Cubot KingKong Power 5 is certainly the monstrous battery with a capacity of 15,300 mAh. It's a really portable powerhouse integrated into the smartphone case. With this kind of battery, you can forget about daily charging because in practice it lasts up to 5 to 7 days in average use, while in standby mode it can last over 2.5 months. When it's finally time to charge, the 33-watt fast charging, which despite its large capacity still allows you to charge the device in just a few hours, which is very practical. In addition, the device also supports reverse charging, which means you can use it as a power bank to charge other devices such as smartwatches, drones, wireless headphones, GoPro cameras, or even other smartphones. The phone comes with IP68 and IP69K certifications, which means it is waterproof, dustproof, and resistant to high water pressure. Let's add to that the military MIL-STD 810H certificate that confirms its durability against drops, shocks, extreme temperatures, and vibrations. This isn't a phone you take to a nightclub, this is a phone that goes with you on the mountain or desert, construction site, or any other demanding terrain. KingKong Power 5 is the right tool for users looking for extreme autonomy, resistance, and functionality. It's not for everyone, but for those who need a device like this can be an invaluable companion. And all this with the acceptable price and the modern Android 15 OS. So if you're interested in purchasing this exceptional smartphone, and I'm sure you are, official sales links can be found below this video. Don't miss your opportunity to take advantage of the current promotional pricing, but act quickly as the quantities are limited. Grab your Cubot KingKong Power 5 today while you have a chance. That's all for now, we'll see you soon in the next video review. Until then, be sure to like and subscribe. Bye.